welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let us do Aries for October 2021. What are the messages for you? Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Let us see the messages. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram for crystals, manifestation, guidance, daily horoscopes, updates and much more. Now, we were on Aries. Let's see Aries, what are the messages for you? We've just done Libra, and I'm also going to do in between quick readings on other signs. We have done Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Gemini, Pisces. Aries, please. Okay, so yeah, Aries, please. Aries, please. Okay. Whoa, you're in a very excited mood right now. I feel like you're very passionate about trying out new things. You're very positive. Your energy is completely positive right now. You're thinking about, you have big goals and making goals, and you're dreaming about, seeing yourself somewhere, at a position that you are working on, and you will be there. Okay, so I see you are being appreciated. Some of you are teachers over here. Whatever it is, I feel like you are being appreciated anywhere you go. So Queen of Swords, your energy, Six of Pentacles. So a lot of money coming in, offers coming in at your workplace. Okay, and I do see someone from the past is thinking a lot about you, is wanting to reach out to you, communicate with you, help you. Okay, this could be a married person or with someone who you were in touch, very close with. Alright, so here, yes, I see Aries like you're leaving something behind. Maybe you're leaving a job. It's more so, I feel on this, this is more so in relation to your career, I feel. So you have option. You may be changing your field, you may be changing your career, you may be changing your place of job or whatever. And I feel like wherever you're going to be paid a lot. You're going to be appreciated, and there's a high position that you're getting. You're going to be in a relationship with someone very soon. This person is keeping an eye on you, is watching you on social media. You, however, are focused on your work, your career, your money, your pentacles. But this person is like, they feel like I've seen this Aries somewhere back then. Either it's someone from the past you already know, or it's someone completely new that is keeping an eye on your, on your social media. See, again with the Ten of Swords, there's an ending happening. Aries, I feel like there was a recent breakup with someone. There was love situation, and it kind of you kind of miss this person or a relationship that you're craving for something very solid. I do see a soulmate connection being formed with someone, but you miss someone from the past here, Aries. Okay, this could also mean a vice versa situation, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. This person is missing the connection they had with you. Okay, and now you, on the other hand, Aries, are open to options. Do you see this? There are options opening up for you, and you're just showing your back on this person. You've turned your back, yes, and you're moving on. So you're giving this signal of moving on, even though you miss this person, but you're strong enough to move on. And I feel like this person's still stuck on you. Oh my god, the moment you moved on, this person is like completely thinking you're on their mind like 24/7. And I feel like they miss the connection that you had for them, you gave them, the love that you gave them. This person is very scared of opening up, okay, or letting you know that this person is finding it hard to move on. This could be a Libra energy, and I feel like this person is just wishing to communicate with you. You may be avoiding them, you may be pushing them away. This person is wishing to communicate with you. What's new in Aries life in love? Tell me about what's new in their love life. Yes, see, this is the main energy. That is why I was getting this on and again. You are completely cutting off all the past ties, all the past relationships, whoever it is, and you're building a wall around yourself from the past people to come back into your life. No, not done. Okay, this is not you. So you're moving on. You made a clear decision, and you're moving on to new opportunities, new love, new career options, and you're strong. You're more powerful than before. Now there is a Sagittarius or a Pisces person who is like interested in you. This could be someone on social media or someone at your workplace who is like getting attracted to you. You know, they've been thinking about you, but they are like watching you but not taking any action. Right now, Aries, you're in a healing phase. You're letting everything go. Okay. Okay, so see, there are two people here, Emperor and King of Swords. This person is keeping a close eye on you. Someone from the past is definitely keeping a close eye on you. But then there is a soulmate that's coming into your life. This is an Aries energy also. I feel like you're back in the game. You're being, appreciated, and I see like you're getting into a higher position. You're going into a higher position. You're becoming more and more successful, stronger than before, and you feel like a king or a queen, male or female, whoever. And I feel like the more you're becoming stronger with time, this person is like losing grip on their life. Like this person is losing control. Okay, so yeah, they are hurting. Your past person is hurting because you're no longer there, and you've become something that they are now envying. They're jealous. Let's see what is there in love life for Aries. Okay, so you're completely blocking someone from the past. I also see like you're not ready for commitment right now, but you're ready for an affair, some kind of an affair, but you're not going to give in very easily to anyone. So it's kind of, you are becoming hard to get kind of personality, and people are just getting attracted to you, but you're not paying heed to just anyone here. So I feel like right now, Aries, you're going to focus on self, and you're going to just weigh options, which one is better, and you're not going to be, trusting anyone for now, or falling into love situation with anyone for now. You just want some me time, and also because that you're rising higher and higher in life, so you're also traveling a lot. There's a lot of money, there's a lot of growth happening. That is also one of the reasons why, Aries, you don't want to focus on love right now, but you're really interested who likes you, who doesn't, or who's coming into your love life, but you're really not ready to get intimate or open up your heart to anybody right now. But yeah, your attraction level is on peak, and people are getting attracted to you, and the past person is completely into you. Chemistry, so I do see like there may be options who are interested in you, attracted to you. You will give someone a chance in a love. Okay, so I do see a very attractive person reaching out to you, expressing you their feelings. This could be a soulmate. So yeah, there's a high chance a soulmate may reach out to you. Free yourself. Yes, you need to relax. You need to just kick off anyone from the past who's hurt you. Okay, you will kick off everything negative in your life, so you're ready to start fresh. Be happy and joyful. Aries, let's see the blockages. Indecision. Don't be indecisive. See, you need to free yourself. For that, you need to make a clear decision. You will make a clear decision regarding Ten of Swords. You're going to cut the cords with someone completely in order to find your soulmate, and the moment you do this, you'll find your soulmate. Patience, judgment. So I feel like just have a little bit of time to heal, take a break. Once you're done that, once you're focused, once you know what exactly is going on in your life, you'll be able to make a right decision, and I feel like you're moving on towards the right kind of love. There's the Ace of Wand energy. There's strong attraction with someone new. Maybe a Scorpio person is reaching out to you, and there's a lot of respect this person will have for you. Okay, so cut the past out completely here. If you're not feeling happy with the past, if your needs are not met, then you need to really cut off the past. So here I feel like you're going to lead like a boss, and people are going to follow you. Now these are the signs that you will deal with: Taurus, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Aries, this is your sign. So I feel like you're being more courageous, you're being more daring, and you're going to take up some wild decisions of your life that's going to change a lot of things in your life. So now let's see your person's feelings from Aries to Pisces. Now let's see from Aries to Pisces. Aries, please. Aries is letting it go. I think it's you who's letting things go from the past because you're not feeling enough loved, satisfied. Taurus is like still trying to work on this connection, but they're finding it too difficult to because they're the only one making efforts here. Gemini sees you as a wish fulfill. They're reaching out to you and letting you know that. Cancer is looking for a solid commitment in future. They are wealthy. Leo is definitely reaching out to you for a solid start. There's a pregnancy also with this person, so there's a chance of marriage also with this person. Virgo is having crush on you. Libra, I do see a message also coming from Virgo. Libra sees you as like a soulmate. This is a soulmate, okay? Scorpio, I see like this, either this is an ending with the Scorpio, and if you've never met a Scorpio, then there's a Scorpio coming into your life that's gonna change your whole world. Sagittarius wants to give in more risk. Sagittarius is very helpful and very much there for you. There's someone mature, someone at a higher position who wants to be there for you. Capricorn is like keeping an eye on you. They know you have options, but they want you to choose them. Aquarius wants to turn things around. They want to come to you for better. They're trying to know more about you. They want to get to know more about you. And last but not the least, Pisces. Pisces is taking it slow. They're being very strategic in their move towards you. So that's about it, Aries. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below. Let me know how this resonated. I will see you with more videos. Bye.